Hello, I'm Stefan Tiede, Director of Composites and Parts at Krempel. We design advanced composite solutions always tailored to your needs. From compression molding and large autoclaves to 9-axis milling and waterjet cutting, our processes deliver precision for simple 2D parts up to 3D structures. You benefit from the perfect blend of engineering and craftsmanship. Combining CAD design with skilled technician work, we ensure the highest quality and innovation for industries like healthcare, aerospace, rail, ballistic protection, and transformer insulation. Our solutions support your applications, always customized to your requirements. Discover how Krempel can drive your success at krempel.com.